guys, so in today's video, what I did at work, while I was running a low volt wire, first I went around and mounted the boxes in the ceilings that weren't drop ceilings, so just mounting a bracket box for square metal to the ceilings, and then in the other rooms I just left the wire hanging where the drop ceiling will be, or the box will be in the drop ceiling tile, but I just running daisy chaining the wire between the rooms according to the blueprint. Daisy chaining just means one in, one out, so just a chain of wire, they're all connected. So I was just daisy chaining the wires together. Basically, I started at one light and then it just goes down to the switch, and then they kind of switch, I think. It goes from like the light to the switch to the switch to the light to the light to the switch. It kind of just picks its own path, sort of, just following the blueprint. But so that's what I was doing pretty much all day today. So hope you enjoyed. Nice short and sweet video today, and probably be doing some of that same stuff tomorrow as far as I know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. Highly appreciate it. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Welcome back to the work week. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would greatly help me out and I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. See you later.